If you have noticed any yellow leaves or any falling of leaves in your money pothos plant, this is due to poor light, stress or overwatering, and also poor drainage of the plant. So check out your plant or stop overwatering this plant, because these plants doesn't like the soggy soil. And also, if you have changed the plant location, check whether they are getting poor light or over light. That means too much of bright light, or else if the plant is under any cause of stress, they will turn the beautiful leaves into yellow leaves. Pothos plants are moisture loving plants. They doesn't like the dry soil, but at the same time, if you go to overwater this beautiful plant, they will turn yellow. The leaves will start turning to yellow. This is a problem, so check out. And also, if you have not fertilized the plant, we'll say for 6 months, since they are in pots, they need to be fertilized. Use nitrogen high fertilizer. Teaspoon of this amazing fertilizer from your kitchen will sort out the problem, so it will give a great solution for you. What is this? This is tea fertilizer, great for your green plants, house plants, indoor plants. So use this on the soil. And also friends, they are great NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Look for yellow leaves on your plants and see whether the plant is under some stress. And also friends, do not ignore that, because once the plant leaves are turning yellow, there is some stress for the plant. Check out for that and treat the plant. And also friends, keep it away from other plants. Keep it in the shady area and treat the plant first. Remove all the yellow leaves and give it a good mispray in the morning, but do not go to overwater. So see for the yellow leaves problems in your money plants too, and give it a good treat and check for the reason why it is happening for your plant.